Welcome back to the channel, ladies. Today I will be comparing Hermes Kelly 28 and Salvatore Ferragamo Gancini. I hope I'm pronouncing it rightly. Top handle bag. This is in dark blue color and this is black. Ladies, both bags are iconic, elegant, and each brings uniqueness to the table. Now, ladies, let's explore the features, the craftsmanship, functionalities, and the prices so you can decide and let me know at the end of this video which of these one speaks to you, my ladies. So let's begin with the Hermes Kelly 28. Ladies, this is a true craftsmanship and masterpiece. This particular bag is a vintage bag from the 1970s. I unboxed this video in this channel. If you have not seen it, the link will be left at the pinned comment. This is a vintage bag, but yet its quality and beauty have stand the test of time. Now, what makes this Hermes Kelly special is it's truly handmade. Each bag of the Hermes are meticulously crafted by just one artisan who used Hermes signature saddle stitches. The stitch is not only beautiful but also incredibly durable, ensuring the bag lasts from generation to generation. This bag is over 40 years and it still keeps its shape and craftsmanship. Let's highlight the details of the hardware. The gold hardware, the texture, and top handle. Versatile and rare vintage color that complement almost any outfit. What's shocking about this bag is how lightweight it feels, despite being crafted from premium leather. And while it is called a size 28, it also looks smaller than you expected, which added to its understated elegance. Now let's see inside the bag. Inside the bag is spacious yet organized with these interior pockets for your essentials, my ladies. The Kelly also come with a detachable strap, but that's for the new. This is a vintage, it does not have, but you can also add the strap here to carry it as a shoulder bag or crossbody, which make it versatile, my ladies. Previously in those days, you know, most bags are top handle bag or you put in the ankle, but you know, now you can get the strap. I have a strap, I used to carry it to ensure free movement. So you could carry this by the hand, shoulder, or crossbody. Now let's talk a bit more about the Ferragamo Gancini. We will come back to the Hermes Kelly again. This Ferragamo top handle bag is also vintage. It has its charm and elegance of its own. It also have a place to carry it at top handle. You buy a strap and clip it onto the two sides, and you could carry it as shoulder bag, crossbody, just like the Hermes bags. Ferragamo is known for its exceptional attention to details, and while their bags are not fully handmade like the Hermes, but they are crafted with high level of precision and care to ensure a lustrous finishing. This bag features the Ferragamo iconic Gancini clasp in gold tone hardware and the signature details of the brand. The structured silhouette and smooth leather look perfect for work or formal events, my ladies. See how smooth the leather is. The top handle is sturdy and comfortable to carry, and its compact size make it an excellent choice for minimalists. Inside the bag has a practical yet compact interior, my ladies. Ideal for carrying your essentials like phone, wallet, your few small items. It's smaller, but is also spacious, just like the Kelly 28. The Kelly 28 looks smaller when you look at it, but this is actually smaller because this is a 25, but the Kelly 28, this is the strap. They put a strap here. When you open the strap, you see that it's actually big in size. The Ferragamo is just as chic as the Hermes Kelly in this aspect. Now let's talk about the size, the weight and the practicalities of these two bags. The Hermes Kelly 28 is slightly larger, measured 28 centimeters, but as mentioned, it feels surprisingly lightweight for its size and construction, despite being called a 28. It's visible, appears smaller, but yet is still roomy enough for everyday essential and even a little more. The Ferragamo Gancini is more compacted at 25 centimeters wide. It's smaller, but it means it's more suitable for occasion which you need only your essential. And they still have a much more smaller size, but today we're talking about the size 25, so we'll stick to this. In terms of carrying, both bags, you can carry them same way. Top handle with the strap, shoulder bag and crossbody. If I'm going to rate over 5, 5, 5. Now let's talk about the craftsmanship of both bags. The craftsmanship is where these both bags differ. The Hermes Kelly is entirely handmade with its iconic saddle stitches being done by a single artisan. The level of details and precision is what makes Hermes bag not only durable but also a collector dreams, my ladies. Every vintage Kelly tells a story and is true one of a kind. Now let's talk about the Ferragamo Gancini bag. The Ferragamo Gancini leather bag is crafted with experts, precise and care, made in Italy, rich in heritage. And this bag reflects its commitment to quality and timeless design, my ladies. Now let's move on to styling your dream bags. I believe I've mentioned it, so I will just insert photos of how to carry the both bags. You could pair them with well-tailored pants, a suit, casual outfits. It makes you look chic, very dressy and well put together. The Ferragamo Gancini is perfect, my ladies, for occasion where you want to look minimal but yet a sleek, chic look, my ladies. Now let's talk about the investments for both bags. We'll start with the Hermes Kelly 28. The Hermes Kelly is a high-end luxury brand, especially the rare vintage piece like this one. It is an heirloom piece you can pass down from generation. But on the other hand, the Ferragamo Gancini, you can't pass it from generation, but in terms of investment, no, but it offered an excellent balance to luxury and affordability, my ladies. If you are considering a top handle bag, you love this style and you cannot afford the Hermes Kelly, you could go for a Ferragamo. It does the same job. But if you are looking for investment purpose, you could consider the Hermes. But for affordability is the Ferragamo bag, making it a great choice for anyone looking to spend very little but get the elegant piece to their collection. From the Hermes shop, if you are offered not that they give you for free, you pay for it, but you could get an Hermes bag from 10,000 and above. Also depend on the leather, you can get some up to like $100,000. An Hermes bag, immediately you get it from the shop and you come out, it immediately double the price. You go to the resale market, you find it for like $18,000, $23,000 and so on, depend on the size, the rarity of the leather and so on. But for the Ferragamo, you could get this one for $600. Depend on the condition, you could also get it for around $400, $450. And before I made this video, I checked the one I saw. I hope it's still there so I could get a screenshot. I saw this one for 18,000, no, 23,000. I would just put the screenshot. So in terms of investment, I give it to the Hermes Kelly. But if you're looking for affordability, I give it to the Ferragamo Gancini Salvatore Ferragamo Gancini bag. It has fits. Ferragamo have no fits. Which of these bags do you prefer? If you have watched up to this point, my ladies, let me see a love heart in the comment section, and also let me know which of these bags you prefer. So here you have it, my ladies. Thank you for joining me today on this. This is the second time I made this video. I made the first one on my mic. I don't know what happened. It's off. So please like and share to support me. Bye, ladies.